Hello, Micromagic Inc. Today we are at the turntable factory. Next, I will hand over the microphone to Mr. Cal from our design department to introduce the design drawings of the 3-axis turntable. Hello, Mr. Cal.
Hello. Let me introduce to you the situation of our 3-axis turntable. This is a gantry type 3-axis rotary table, which is composed of 3 axes. At the bottom, we have the azimuth axis, and this U-shaped frame here is our pitch axis. Then the inner frame has a roll axis, and our part under test is installed in the middle with a table. And then we can test our products such as gyroscopes and IMUs and do some testing and simulation. Then it can provide angular position, angular rate, including some roll. All of these functions can be provided. And then regarding our turntable, this is the main body part. In practice, there is also a control section. Our electronic control system comes with a separate control cabinet, which can also provide an upper computer, some software, and communication protocols. This makes it convenient for users to carry out their own development. That's about it.